What if I told you the most dangerous action camera ever made hasn't even been announced yet? Right now, leaked specs are circulating in the tech world, insider sources are buzzing, and Insta360 is about to drop something that could make every other camera on the market feel completely irrelevant. I'm talking about the Insta360 Ace Pro 3, and trust me, what they're hiding is absolutely wild. So let's start with what's actually been leaking out there, because this is where it gets really interesting. The Insta360 Ace Pro 3 has been one of the most talked about cameras in creator circles for months now, and unlike most camera rumors that just disappear into thin air, these leaks have been unusually consistent across multiple sources. Forums, insider tech channels, and industry trackers have all been pointing in the same direction. The Ace Pro 3 is shaping up to be the most anticipated action camera of 2026, and the industry chatter around it has been seriously buzzing. Here's what makes this different from your typical hype cycle. The people leaking this information aren't random. These are the same sources that accurately predicted the Ace Pro 2 specs months before it launched. So when they speak, the tech world listens. Based on Insta360 rumors and industry patterns, the Ace Pro 3 is expected to launch in the first half of 2026, and interestingly, previous models arrived in late Q4, but this cycle suggests a Q2 window, possibly to counter competitors and maximize impact. While many expected the Ace Pro 3 to arrive in late 2025, Insta360 made a smart strategic move. They extended the lifecycle of the Ace Pro 2 with special editions and bundles, maximizing their current hardware while quietly preparing something transformative. And that right there, that's the move of a company that knows exactly what they're building. They're not rushing it, they're perfecting it. Competitors like DJI and GoPro have yet to release a true 8K action camera, and that leaves Insta360 in a very strong position to wait until the timing is absolutely perfect. So the leaks are real, the timing is building up, and Insta360 is playing chess while everyone else is playing checkers. Alright, now let's get into the part you've all been waiting for, the actual specs. And I want to be clear, these are leaks and rumors, and honestly, what's being rumored is absolutely next level. Let's start with the sensor, because this is where Insta360 is expected to go all in. The Ace Pro 3 is rumored to feature a 1/1.3-inch Leica co-engineered sensor, possibly refined even further for richer contrast and more cinematic color science than anything we've seen in an action camera before. That's not a small deal. That is a medium format level partnership packed into a pocket-sized body. Now let's talk video. Leaks are pointing to 8K at 30 frames per second and 4K at 120 frames per second, both paired with enhanced HDR and smarter tone mapping. That means more cinematic skies, softer highlight roll-off, and the freedom to recrop or stabilize in post without losing any resolution. For creators, that is an absolute game changer. And here's something that doesn't get talked about enough: stabilization. Every year, Insta360 edges closer to cinematic steadiness, and if the Ace Pro 3 truly hits that mark, it could become the go-to camera for creators who shoot handheld in completely unpredictable environments. We're talking surfing, mountain biking, skydiving, all of it looking like it was shot on a Hollywood rig. But wait, there's more. The Ace Pro 3 is also rumored to feature an enhanced AI night video mode specifically designed for city and indoor scenes, which means low-light shooting is about to reach a completely new level of quality. And one of the most exciting rumors: a possible creator kit bundle featuring a mic, a light, and a grip, meaning creators could potentially unbox a complete professional setup with zero adapters and zero aftermarket chaos. Just open the box and start creating. That's the dream right there. Leaked design mock-ups also suggest the same pocket-friendly shape but with improved heat management, a grippier outer texture, and a possibly re-engineered lens housing for better cooling, plus at least 10 meters of waterproofing right out of the box. This isn't just an upgrade. Based on everything leaking out right now, and this is Insta360 trying to build the most complete action camera ever made. So now let's talk about the two things that every single creator wants to know before anything else. How much is it going to cost, and when can I actually get my hands on it? Let's start with the price. And I'll be honest with you, this is where things get a little spicy. Leaked pricing indicates the Insta360 Ace Pro 3 will retail somewhere between $549 and $599, which is a significant jump from the Ace Pro 2's $399.99 launch price. Now, before you close this video, hear me out, because that number actually makes a lot of sense when you understand what's reportedly inside this thing. That price increase directly reflects the rumored sensor upgrades, next-generation stabilization system, and the overall jump in processing power that we talked about in the specs section. You're not just paying for a new number on the box, you're paying for a fundamentally different camera. Think about it this way. Competitors like DJI and GoPro have still not released a true 8K action camera, so if Insta360 launches the Ace Pro 3 with everything that's been rumored, there is literally nothing else on the market that competes at this level, and when there's no competition, that price tag starts looking completely justified. Now let's talk timing, because this is where the speculation gets really interesting. Based on Insta360's release patterns and current industry signals, the Ace Pro 3 is expected to launch in the first half of 2026, with a Q2 window being the most likely target. That's a strategic shift from how Insta360 has operated before, and it tells you something important. They're not just dropping a product, they're timing a statement. This lines up perfectly with Insta360's yearly release rhythm, and everything points toward a launch window designed to maximize impact and catch competitors completely off guard. So here's the bottom line on price and timing. If you're a serious creator, a travel filmmaker, an adventure shooter, or someone who just refuses to compromise on quality, the Ace Pro 3 is shaping up to be worth every single dollar. And the wait? Based on these leaks, it might be almost over. So let's bring it all together. Because after going through everything that's been leaking, everything that's been rumored, and everything the industry is speculating about right now, one thing is extremely clear. The Insta360 Ace Pro 3 is not just another action camera release. This is Insta360 making a very deliberate, very calculated move to completely redefine what a compact camera is capable of in 2026. Think about what we're potentially looking at here. A Leica co-engineered sensor refined even further for cinematic color. 8K at 30 frames per second and 4K at 120 frames per second with enhanced HDR. Next-generation AI stabilization that pushes closer to professional cinema quality than anything this size has ever achieved. An improved heat management system that solves one of the biggest problems action cameras have always had. A possible all-in-one creator kit that lets you unbox a complete professional setup on day one. Waterproofing built in from the start. And all of this in the same pocket-friendly body that made the Ace Pro series famous in the first place. The Ace Pro 3 is positioned to deliver cinema-grade tools in a compact body, and for creators, vloggers, and adventure shooters, this could genuinely be the most complete action camera ever built. With no true 8K competitor from DJI or GoPro on the market right now, Insta360 is in the strongest position they have ever been in, and the Ace Pro 3 looks like the camera they've been building toward this entire time. Now here's my honest take. Yes, the price is higher than before. Yes, nothing is officially confirmed yet. These are leaks and rumors and speculation, but the consistency of these leaks, the credibility of the sources, and the direction Insta360 has been moving with every single release, it all points towards something special. If even half of what's been rumored turns out to be true, the Ace Pro 3 is going to be the camera that creators are talking about for the next 2 years. So here's what I want you to do right now. If you're excited about the Insta360 Ace Pro 3, drop a comment below and tell me which rumored feature has you most hyped. Is it the upgraded Leica sensor, the 4K 120 frames per second, the AI stabilization, or that creator kit bundle? Let me know. I read every single comment. And if you want to be the first to know the moment Insta360 officially announces anything, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because when this camera drops, you do not want to miss it. This is just the beginning, and trust me, it's going